Hello guys, in this tutorial you'll learn how you can add a diagram to your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So head over to your presentation on Gamma AI, and what you want to do guys is let me add a completely new card to the presentation by clicking into plus add new card here, and let me move it to the very bottom of the presentation. And what you want to do next guys is click into the card and select the diagram feature here to the right. It is called Smart Diagrams. Click into it and select one of these. So let me go one that looks like a mind map of ideas, for example, that one here. That is going to add it to your card or slide. Wait for it for a brief moment. And then guys, you will see, as you can see, some text suggestions or text box suggestions created by the artificial intelligence, because the AI knows, of course, what your presentation is about, especially if you used the AI presentation builder. So it will give you suggestions like this. Now, of course, you can customize each text box and add your own ideas to that mind map, like, I don't know, example text 1, 2, 3. And you can customize that diagram. For example, what you want to do is click into it here, and you will see, for example, these borders, so you can resize it. Then you may, for example, add various items to it, like, for example, I don't know, a bubble like this. And that is going to transform your diagram into a bubble, a diagram like that. So if you'd like to add more of these guys, what you want to do is simply use these buttons here, click into add before or add after. That is going to add another item or element of the given diagram type. After that, customize the given item by clicking into it. You may add an icon to it from the library. Let me go with a heart icon for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, you may also add some text, like, I don't know, heart icon. Customize that text as well. And that's it. So that's basically it. You can, of course, remove these steps, or if you'd like to reduce these, simply click into the given item, click into the delete button, and that one as well. And now we have reduced that diagram to only 3 ideas or 3 items. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.